So what we said, leadership can be taught or can be developed. Let's look at the modern example. In 1980s, something was like reeling down, almost nobody noticing it. He came. Within 20 years, he applied the greatest management concepts, community involvement, leadership, modern concepts, and he took that something is reeling here to the top, right from the guts. That's what his book says. Right from the guts, he makes something was like here to the top. Now, I was always wondering why from the guts. I mean, to be joke, why? I mean, we know guts. I mean, guts is not the brain. It should be brain, right? Brain should be thinking. Why right from the guts? That's what his next people did. I mean, his successor did the same. That right from the brain. And you know what happened? Whoa! From here they came where it came. Guys, I'll tell you, not always not good. We have to see more than that. But the help is on the way. Help is on the way. See, from antiquity till now, what humans were trying by achieving a leader, why they wanted a leader? Because he will bring the good. He will bring the harvest. He will create the wealth, right? So if you translate into the modern language, probably shelter, food, and well-being, that was the kind of thing which was looked upon to the leader so that he will bring to the clan or everybody. But we always saw that, I mean, like a basic thing like a food, shelter is not, those are not even commodities, or like a very like a expensive commodities, but it was never fulfilled. But help is on the way. Look at that guy. Forget about his material wealth. But he's our admiral of the space. Despite his material wealth, he showed us that low-cost living is possible. Rather, he lived by the example. We are seeing it. This is now. This is current. We see him. Despite our admiral of the space, despite of his material wealth, he showed us that the living is possible. Same way, if you want to see what about the food and everything, help is there. There is only one answer. That is impossible. That is impossible. Yes, that's the answer. Impossible is the answer. We have to bring some taste. We can't eat it, sorry. If you try to eat the impossible, it's not going in, right? We have to bring some taste. The flavor, that's how we are going to fulfill it. With the modern concepts, we are going to get the commodities. We can create the modern proteins, so which where we depend upon the nature. So that's the impossible task. We are doing it. Only thing, add some test, right? So that's our leadership. So the help is there. So our space of admiral can bring us the chip, and then yes. So modern leadership, where I was coming from, was going to be AI driven. It says artificial intelligence. That means not insult to our brain, or it's actually supplement to our brain, and which is required. So the modern leadership will go to the AI concepts. So in the next podcast, I will start explaining about the more technical concepts and the traits of the leadership and how it is evolving in the modern era with new tools and technology. Thank you.